Hello, I'm Chandaban Kapoor. I'm going to discuss my solution to the lead code problem insertion sort list. It's today's problem in the November lead coding challenge. The problem is to sort a linked list of numbers using insertion sort algorithm. Uh, a recursive algorithm is simpler where we sort rest of the list. So the rest of the list is excluding the first node. You sort it first and then insert the first node appropriately, right, in the sorted order, right? That's basically sorting by recursion. This takes big of n square time, which is expected out of an insertion sort algorithm, but it also takes big of an extra space in terms of stack, right? What I'm going to discuss is an iterative solution. In this case, what the general idea here is I'm going to have a bunch of nodes here which are all sorted already, right? The first maybe I minus one number of nodes which are sorted, and ith node is the one I'm going to which is not yet sorted, but I'm trying to insert into this sorted list. And there are rest of nodes starting from say I plus one node till nth node, which are not yet sorted. We haven't even explored them. So this is the idea, and we can start with the first node as the sorted list because one node is always sorted. So I can start with second node and on second node onwards. So we can have a pointer to this one, say call it as I node here. And so this could be the sorted list, which may be head itself. And the last node of this one could be pointing to null. And we might be having the rest of the list, which is maybe something like rest of the list we can call it as, or normally I call it as I next node, which is the next node of ith node, right? So which is not yet explored. So every time insert this ith I node into the sorted list which is before that, right? And once you insert that, you move I node to the I next node, and then make sure it is isolated, and the rest of the list is going to be reduced by one. So if you do it iteratively, we can also solve this by big O of n square time, which is an usual insertion sort algorithm. And it's going to take constant extra space because we are not allocating anywhere, and we are not using recursion anywhere. So let me show you my code and then explain through that. So the base case of when the number of nodes is 0 or 1, I'm handling it right away and then returning it, right? It doesn't need sorting. So now we have at least two nodes here. So the first node is always sorted, which is what I'm calling it as head, right? So head is the only one node right now. And we are going to have I node here, which is the ith node. We need to insert in the previous sorted list. So if you observe here, I have taken I node as the second node, head dot next, and head dot next is going to point to null. So that's how it's kind of isolated and it's a sorted list now, right? So as long as there is I node, so if there is no I node, that means we have the complete sorted list and we are done. If there is still a node which needs to be inserted, I go into the while loop here. I note down the next node, which is essentially here, right? So the next node is going to be the beginning of unsorted list, right? I next node. So this whole stuff is going to be inserting this I node into the sorted list in the beginning. So one case is, what if the I node value is lesser than or equal to head of the list itself? That means this is the smallest one. This should become the new head. In that case, I node is going to point to head, and I node becomes the head. That's a special case. Otherwise, I node is going to be somewhere after the first node, right? So in that case, I'm going to have these two pointer approach where I keep track of the previous and then the current. So I'm going to find an appropriate place where the previous node is going to be lesser than the ith node value, and the current one is going to be greater than or equal to that. So we need to insert between this previous and current. So what we are going to do is we'll have this while loop here, which does the exact job. And after that, these two lines are going to insert there. So look at this I node dot next. So this I node is going to point to current node, and previous node is going to point to I node. So this pointer is gone. This is as good as inserting there, right? So this automatically inserts in there, and then now we have a sorted list of one extra size. So after that, I'm going to as in point I node to the next node, which is here, and then keep continuing there. So finally head is going to point to the whole sorted list, and I'm going to return. Right, so this should work. Let me quickly run and show you it is accepting. Right, it accepted, and it works in big O of n square time and constant space. So if you know any other simpler way of coding this one, or even recursive coding, recursive solution is interesting. So if you have a different approach, let me know in the comments. Otherwise, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and keep coding every day. Thank you for watching.